Hello, my name is John Willenbrock. I'm the homeowner here in St. Louis. I just want to give you a little showing of what we're doing here. And the ceiling here, the deck up above, we had this ceiling put in. I don't know, you kind of got to look at it. It needed to be cleaned because the water was coming through it after about, I don't know, 10 years. All the lights were all rusted out. You can get an idea, we've already pulled the lights out and you can see what was happening because the water was coming through. Well, we've had a couple different companies out trying to get this replaced or repaired. They didn't want to touch it. So I stumbled across RainEscape. And I think that was a blessing because we can now use this area without water coming down and make it, obviously we've got the, ready the TV set up in here, and it's a nice setup, but when water comes through, that ruins it. So we've started. Let's take a look upstairs. You can see we've already stripped the deck off upstairs. These are all the boards. Not having the RainEscape, you can see what's happened to the lumber underneath. The joists were rotted. Had to replace a lot of the lumber. RainEscape is installed now. We had a really good test. It rained last night. You can see a little remnants of it still. Next step, the board's got to go back on. And we're pretty excited about being able to use that space down below. One of the really nice things about working with the RainEscape people is we had a coach, Chase Gardner, did a really nice job in helping us make sure we got it done properly. It's always nice to have somebody you can call if you have a question about this or that, because my son did the installing, him and his friend Jason, and they'd never done it before. And getting that direction, getting that private lesson, so to speak, really helped out. And we're really grateful for being able to escape the rain with RainEscape.